What's up, guys? Welcome back to my channel. Golden Leaf. Yeah. No more Gucci Boy. RIP Gucci Boy. Now today I'm gonna show you how to edit with KineMaster a funny photo and with a funny noise. You know, like like that noise and the cricket noise. Boop boop boop. Yeah. So I'm gonna show you how to do that. So first you want to go here. Wait, guys. Nope.
What?
And here. Then you want to go to media and press all. Then you.
I see the window.
You have to like if you have.
To use
In the
the window.
other video, I show you how to screen record. So you need to screen record a funny sound in YouTube. Then you want to press this. I'm going to go to layer. I'm going to press the top, all the way top. I'm going to go to photos, right over here. I'll flex like this one. I'll press this. Okay, never mind. Okay, like this. Okay. So then, I'm going to press this. Then, it won't. Hold on. Okay, wait. Then you want to go. Make sure that all of this is equal together. Then do this and press this. Done. It's done. Now, thank you guys for watching. Make sure you subscribe and turn the notification on. And I will see you guys next time.